good morning, guys. It is time to get out of here. We spent enough time in here, I think. Yeah, we really have. I think we spent like 12 hours in here or something like that, but oh well, that's how it goes sometimes. Yep, that's it. Gotta go through the fuel island here, I guess. Well, I could have gone around over there, but oh well. The spot was open, why not go through, right? Yeah, here we go. We gotta make our way down towards Toronto. I'm just gonna quickly clean the windshield here. There we go. That sun is coming up over there, or came up already, I guess you could say. Yep. Looks like it's a beautiful morning. Although it got fairly cold here overnight. It really did. You guys can see like them cars and stuff like that, how the steam is coming out of the exhaust. That's usually a good sign that it's pretty cold. And I think it went down to like minus 23 here overnight. And this morning when I checked it, it was only showing minus 21, but yeah, I can definitely feel everything is still very cold yet. It's not rolling very smoothly yet. Plus, this is a heavy load, right? So it's obviously gonna pull a little bit hard, right? And I'm just taking it easy because, you know, the engine is not 100% warmed up yet, although it is fairly warm. I've already had it idling for about, I would say, half an hour, 45 minutes already. So I usually like to have it idle for a little while when it's cold like that, just to kind of warm up everything and warm up the diesel and everything. So here we go. Now we gotta get on down the road. We got 835 kilometers up to Toronto, so we should be in Toronto tonight. We are leaving Kapuskasing this morning, and that is Ontario as well. Ontario is fairly big. I'm really happy though that it is not windy. It's like hardly any wind whatsoever today again, so that makes it for a much better driving day as well. So that's hammered down the road towards Toronto, guys. I am getting closer and closer to New Liskeard, Ontario, guys. Yeah, I was gonna have breakfast this morning, but the Flying J doesn't even have a restaurant in there, so I couldn't have breakfast in there. So I think New Liskeard is going to be our next best place. Got about another I would say half an hour, 45 minutes. Yeah, probably about 45 minutes or so, maybe 40 minutes. And we'll be in New Liskeard. Now we'll make us a pit stop there and probably go in and have us a good breakfast. That's my goal anyways. I know we're possibly going to go down to Master State tonight, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not 100% sure if that's actually going to happen, but we'll see. Most of the times I don't pass up on that opportunity, but we'll see. Gotta find out and wait and find out to see if that will happen, right? Meanwhile, we're enjoying the nice sunshine up here. Starting to warm up a little bit now. It's actually starting to get a little warm in here in the cab. Every once in a while I gotta turn it up to a little bit of a cooler air. Yeah. Somebody was saying yesterday when I did the live show that it's supposed to be pretty mild in Toronto today, so hopefully that is the case. Hopefully it will be nice in Toronto, and well, number one goal is as long as we don't get any ice rain or snow, we're good, right? Alright guys, we have decided to stop earlier than New Liskeard, and we got this coffee time place over here. So we're gonna go in there and have breakfast, but before we do that, we gotta go ahead and check to see if all our placards are still in place. Look at our tires, make sure they're all good, right? Yeah, and then we're gonna go inside and have us an awesome breakfast. Yeah, my seal is still in place. Placard is still in place. Go check all of them. Just look at all of these tires, make sure they're good. Do a quick check around. This one is still in place. Yes, indeed it is. So we should be good. Yeah, I think so. Everything looks good. Now this one up here is good too, so yeah. Oh. Anyways, I think everything is looking pretty good. Well guys, the place I stopped at there at that cafe time, yeah, it wasn't a restaurant. I've never been there before. It was just one of those places where you can go in and grab a coffee and a donut kind of deal. And they had some pre-made sandwiches kind of deal, but that was it. So I just grabbed me a chicken sandwich over there and had me a coffee, and that's it. Got out of there, and here we are, just cruising up and down the road. And now it's kind of gotten cloudy again, and on and off it's slight flurries here. It's not bad, but on and off a little bit of light flurries. Well, we still got about 4 hours worth of driving to do till we get to Toronto, so we got a good ways to go yet. It's already 2:30 in the afternoon, so I figured, you know what, that's perfect. That way I'll get into Toronto hopefully after rush hour. That's kind of my plan anyways. Get in there after the rush hour, you know, that way I don't have to deal with that. There's one downside to it, and that is it's harder to find parking at that time, but hey, we always have a terminal. If need be, we can go and into the terminal and spend the night in there, I guess, if we have to. We usually have room in there, so, but whatever, we'll do what we gotta do, right? Still haven't got no reload offer yet, so not sure what's taking so long this time, but maybe they just ain't gotten any reloads for me, who knows. Here we are guys, coming into Toronto, ladies and gentlemen. Yes indeed, we are getting light flurries or whatever you want to call it, but this is how it looks like when you come into Toronto at night. I know it's kind of dark and you might see that red flashing light on the screen, but hey, that's an indicator that I'm recording. But hey, guess what? We're only about 15-20 minutes away from a truck stop up here. We'll go in there to the Husky and keep my fingers crossed that I'll still find me some parking there. And I gotta keep on the left here, otherwise that's a toll road up here, the 407. I don't want to get on that one today, not really anyways.
In 500 meters.
Yeah, RJ, that's what we're gonna do.
Toronto.
We're gonna keep on the left here. Ooh, that guy was going pretty fast there, taking that ramp up there. We go up to the 407 there, but yeah, well, I know speed limit is a little bit higher. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Continue on this road.
I mean, that was already completely coming off of the off-ramp there. Completely solid white lines. That's how accidents happen, you know? Why couldn't have he, you know, the signs are a mile ahead already, you know? Like, really? You were that busy texting and driving without noticing the sign that's saying exit only? Yikes. Yeah, some four-wheelers, eh? But anyways, we got 21 clicks and we'll be at the Husky, so keeping my hopes up that we'll find parking there. Guys, we have made it to Mississauga, Ontario here, yeah. Actually, we made it here last night, and we found lots of parking here at the Husky. Yes, indeed we did. And now it's the next morning, and so we went in and had us a good master steak last night. Oh man, was it ever good. It really was. Fortunately, I didn't take you guys in there and show you guys, but hey, I really enjoyed it. Yeah, and if you want to see the pictures of it, go check it out on Instagram. And I also share it on Facebook, and I think it also shares it on Twitter. But anyways, and It also shares it on my website because I got Instagram integrated into my website. So if you guys want to see the picture, go check it out. You know, the website link is down in the description of every single video, so go check it out. Yes, indeed. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get out of here and start a new day, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll be back tomorrow. So come back and check out what we're up to tomorrow.